If you're trying to decide between PayPenny and Remitly for sending money abroad, this video will walk you through how each service works, their strengths and weaknesses, and which might suit your needs best. Starting with PayPenny, the app promotes itself as a low-cost or even zero-fee solution for international transfers. According to the company materials, users don't pay transfer fees and get competitive exchange rates. The onboarding process appears straightforward. Download the app, complete KYC, and you're ready to send. The app is available on iOS and Android, and PayPenny highlights 24/7 support through WhatsApp and multilingual assistance. Many users praise the app for offering higher than usual exchange rates and no hidden fees. On the flip side, there are some mixed reviews. Some people report that while the rates are good, transfer times can be slow, and as with any lesser-known service, questions around coverage, which countries pay out methods, and regulatory backing may be a factor to check. Now, let's look at Remitly. This service is tailored specifically to remittances, sending money from one country to another for friends or family. Remitly offers two main modes: Express, faster, higher cost, and Economy, slower, lower cost. Its appeal lies in wide global coverage, multiple payout options, bank deposit, mobile wallet, cash pickup in many countries, and a trusted brand. For many users, it's a convenient choice, especially when the recipient might not have a bank account. The trade-offs: transfer fees and exchange rate markups vary depending on where you're sending from and to, which payment method you use, and how fast you want delivery. So, while Remitly is reliable and flexible, it may not always be the cheapest option. So, which one should you pick? If your number one priority is minimal cost, you're sending to a country supported by PayPenny, and you don't need instant delivery or cash pickup, then PayPenny could offer better value. But if your recipient needs a cash pickup option, or you're sending to a country where banking infrastructure is more limited, or you need more global coverage with speed and reliability, then Remitly is likely the safer and more versatile choice. In summary, PayPenny may win on cost in specific corridors and for bank-to-bank or wallet transfers where supported. Remitly wins on flexibility, global reach, and reliability for everyday remittances. Before you hit send, always compare the total cost, fee plus exchange rate, the delivery method your recipient will use, and how fast you need the money to arrive. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more money transfer reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.